Hi everybody, let's revise the main part of our lessons. Question number 1. The way in which heat moves through liquids and gases is called what? Yes, it's convection. Question number 2. Warm air rises and the cool air sinks. Demonstrate this type of heat transfer. It's, yes, of course, convection. Question number 3. How is the cat being heated? Yes, it's by radiation. Question number 4. A group of friends gather around a fire to stay warm. It's convection. The Gulf Stream is a current that brings warm ocean water from the south to the north. Of course, it's convection. Question number 6. Walking on the warm sand with your bare feet, it's conduction. Yes, because you touch the sand. Question number 7. Why do we wear sweaters in cold weather? To keep cold out, to generate heat, to reduce heat losses, all of the above. Yes, it's all of the above. Question number 8. If you put a metal spoon and a wooden spoon into a pot of boiling water, one will become too hot to touch. Why? Because metal conducts heat better than wood. Question number 9. You have a can of soda in your lunchbox that you want to keep it cold. Which material will work best to keep it cold? Do you know the answer? Yes, your wool sweater wrapped around the soda because the wool traps air. Question number 10. Every day the earth is warmed by the sun. What kind of heat transfer is taking place in this process? Yes, it's radiation. Question number 11. What is the definition of conduction? Yes, it's when heat transfer from objects that are touching. Question number 12. What is the definition of convection? The hot liquid or air that expands, becomes less dense and rises, or becomes more dense and sinks. Question number 13. What is the definition of radiation? You know? Yes, it's when heat transfer from object like rays of light or electromagnetically. Question number 14. The baby chicken are kept warm from the heat lamp. Demonstrate this type of heat. It's, yes, convection. Question number 14. Walking on the warm sand with your bare feet, demonstrate this type of heat. Yes, it's conduction. Question number 13. Ironing a shirt is an example of, for sure, yes, conduction. Question number 17. A toaster toasting a bread is an example of, yes, conduction. Question number 18. Question number 18. What does convection causes in air? It causes, yes, hot summer days. Question number 19. What does radiation to Earth? It heated it evenly. Question number 20. The process by which gases in the atmosphere absorb the thermal energy and radiate it back to Earth is called? Yes, of course, the greenhouse effect. Question number 21. The heat from the lamp allows a lizard to remain warm. This is an example of which type of heat transfer? It's convection. Yes, of course. Question number 22. A student places a cup of cold water in a counter in a hot room. After a short time, the students notice that the water in a cup is no longer cold, which best explains why the water in the cup is no longer cold. Because yes, the heat from the air transferred to the water in the cup, making the water in the cup warmer. Question number 23. Near the ceiling of the room, the air is warmer. The warm air rises because of? Yes, of course, convection. 25. Temperature is the measure of what of particles in the substance? Average hotness or coldness. Question number 26. Heat will always move from higher to lower temperature object. Question number 27. When heat is transferred when directly touch a material, it is? Yes, it's conduction. Question number 28. Warm air current is an example of convection. Yes, sure. 29. The sun shines down on this family as they play on the beach. It's, yes, radiation. Question number 30. It is a measure how hot or cold is. Yes, it's temperature. 31. An instrument used to measure heat. Of course, it's a thermometer. Question number 32. What is the best example of insulator? A wooden chair, a ceramic mug, or a glass cup? The best example was, yes, it's wooden chair. 33. What is the best example of conductor? Yes, it's a metal bowl. 34. An insulator, it's a material that not allow a lot of heat to flow. Yes. 35. True or false? A thermal conductor transfer heat well between two objects. Yes, it's true, of course. Question number 36. A jacket is a good example of insulator. Question number 37. If I wanted to heat up a pot of water, what type of bowl? Sure, it's a metal one. Question number 38. True or false? An insulator is a type of material that allow heat to escape from an object quickly. It's false. Question number 39. What is the best example of conductor? Yes, it's a metal bar. Question number 40. What is the best example of insulator? Yes, it's a wooden table. Question number 41. I am a negatively charged particle in an atom. I can move freely. I can be released, shared, or stolen from an atom. Who am I? Do you know? Yes, of course, it's the electron. Question number 42. The smallest unit of an element is an atom. 43. Lightning rods attract lighting. Yes, it's true. 44. Walking across a carpet is an example of a charge being transferred by static electricity. 45. What charge does the electron have? The electron that rotate around the nucleus, it's negative charge. Question number 46. A material where electricity does flow easily, it's called conductor. 47. Which of the following is an insulator? Copper, wood, silver, salty water. Yes, of course, it's wood.